Hello, and welcome back, friends. You are listening to Talk Easy English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Lio. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, today we have something special. We are going to learn English together, step by step, with simple dialogues.
That's right. Think of us like two friends sitting with you. We talk, we laugh, and we practice English.
So if you are a beginner, don't worry. This podcast is for you. We use short sentences, we repeat words, we give real-life examples.
Exactly. And remember, learning English is like building a house. You need bricks. Each word is a brick. Each phrase is a brick. Today, we give you many bricks.
And together, we build your English house. Before we start, a quick reminder. If you like this podcast, please subscribe.
Yes, subscribe and share with a friend. Maybe you have a friend who also wants to learn English. Learning together is fun. Okay, Anna, what is today's topic?
Today's topic is daily life English. We will practice simple dialogues. For example, talking about breakfast, talking about the weather, talking about feelings.
Perfect. These are things we say every day. So when you learn them, you can use them right away.
And remember, don't just listen. Repeat after us. Say the words out loud.
Yes, speak with us. That's how you improve.
All right, let's begin our main chat.
Let's start with breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
Anna, what do you eat for breakfast?
My quick breakfast is a banana.
A banana, easy and healthy.
Yes, sometimes I eat bread and butter.
Bread and butter. Good phrase. Repeat with us. Bread and butter.
Bread and butter.
Now you try. Good job.
Another example, I drink coffee in the morning.
Yes, coffee is very common. Repeat, I drink coffee in the morning.
I drink coffee in the morning.
Now you. Excellent.
So, let's make a mini dialogue. Anna, what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and butter.
Anna, do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee in the morning.
See, very simple. You can use this tomorrow morning.
Now let's talk about the weather.
Yes, weather's a great topic. Easy, and we use it every day.
For example, it is sunny today.
Repeat, it is sunny today.
It is sunny today.
Another one, it is raining.
Repeat, it is raining.
It is raining.
Good job.
Let's make a dialogue.
How is the weather today?
It is sunny today.
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I like sunny weather.
Perfect.
Now, let's talk about feelings.
Yes, feelings are important.
For example, I am happy.
Repeat, I am happy.
I am happy.
Another one, I am tired.
Repeat, I am tired.
I am tired.
Good job.
Let's make a dialogue.
Anna, how are you today?
I am happy.
Anna, are you tired?
No, I am not tired.
See? Very simple.
Now let's talk about daily routine.
Yes, daily routine means the things you do every day.
For example, I wake up at 7.
Repeat, I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
Another one, I go to work at 9.
Repeat, I go to work at 9.
I go to work at 9.
Let's make a dialogue.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 9.
Perfect. Okay, now let's practice. We will say a dialogue. Listen first.
Dialogue.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and butter.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee in the morning.
Now, let's discuss. What are the key phrases?
Key phrases. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat bread and butter. Do you drink coffee? Yes, I drink coffee in the morning.
Good. Now, listen again.
Dialogue.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and butter.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee in the morning.
Excellent. All right, friends, we are almost at the end of today's episode.
Yes, let's do a quick recap.
Today, we learned phrases about breakfast, weather, feelings, and daily routine.
For breakfast, I eat bread and butter. I drink coffee in the morning.
For weather, it is sunny today. It is raining.
For feelings, I am happy. I am tired.
For routine, I wake up at 7. I go to work at 9.
Great job, everyone! You are improving already.
Yes, we are proud of you. Remember, practice every day. Listen again, repeat the phrases.
And don't forget to subscribe. Share with a friend.
Before we go, we have a fun question for you.
Yes, tell us in the comments. What time do you wake up?
We want to know. We will read your answers in the next episode.
All right, friends. Thank you for learning with us today.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.